I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose Action. Choose Type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select SliceWP. Connect. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. To complete the integrations, you must log into your site. Here are some advanced features. Under the action, click on the checkboxes, choose the status and type. Here is the conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Go to my other user site and fill up the forms with variable data. Submit it. Now go to your SliceWP dashboard. Navigate to the commissions. Here you can see that the commission was added successfully to the user affiliate. Thanks for watching.